Hey guys, today I'm very excited video, so I'm going to be playing some more Silent Assassin because Silent Assassin and I am going to be playing because all my other videos I haven't literally helpful. So let's just I already did. Okay, I'm gonna make a I did delete it. I did. Yes, I know. Okay, whatever. Thank you. So guys, I'm just going to be okay, is this my oh, I can't do everything. Okay. Look, that's blank. I don't know who that assassin is. So I'm going to be loud. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Yes, this is so. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, she said what? Then, what assassin? It's called assassin girl. It's not called robot. Roblox and learn and spell Oh my gosh. Maybe one more round and then that.
Kaya mo pa matanda? Ha?
Okay.
Room?
Yeah,
Oo nga sa room.
oh wait. Smash that like button and subscribe button. Push the bell so we can get more notifications on my videos. So